So, this is the start of our trip. Yes, a trip. And this is all for Bubba. So he's not going with us because he's got school. We have time off. So we are taking the smart car and we are driving to California. Actually, California's not where we want to go. We just want to go to the Pacific Ocean. Yes, the Pacific Ocean. We gotta fly in the car. We're trying to leave now. Are you ready?
Shut up.
Are you ready?
Not yet. Almost. I'm getting there.
Let's just hurry up and get to Bubba so we can drop stuff off, go and say hey, and leave.
Gotta tell Emma happy birthday.
I know, that's what I said. Go in there, say hey, say happy birthday, and then we're going.
I can't find the bucket. There it is. I found it. Okay. We're going now. For reals this time.
Not quite. We gotta go to a birthday party first. Then we're headed to the Pacific Ocean. Oh, no, don't cut it too short. You're gonna hit.
I'm not cutting it short.
No, you are. The back's wider than the front.
I still didn't hit it.
Close.
Give me some credit.
We're almost on the way. We're gonna tag team driving and just go.
Until we're both tired.
I might get tired of her fast.
This is the first, like, 40 feet of the journey. Don't make me pull over.
Oh, yeah. We'll just cancel it, babe.
She's not gonna cancel. I'll throw you out before I cancel.
See, she's already talking about throwing me out. We haven't even left the neighborhood yet. 14-year relationship. This is the test right here.
A cross-country drive in a smart car.
Why not? We're trying to...
Hey, we've already done Dragon Con in the smart car.
Well, of course, Dragon Con's easy. We just had to drive a couple hours to Atlanta.
And pack all my costumes and our clothes, my makeup and everything.
And then I found a fake deer, like a full-body deer, and stuffed it in here too.
That thing is sitting in our tornado closet still.
Oh yeah, I still got the head. I left the torso.
I was cleaning out the tornado closet to make room because we were having really bad weather, and the damn thing scared me because I lifted up a suitcase and it just kind of...
A deer head.
It's like something from a Saw movie without all the blood and blood. It's stupid.
So then it wouldn't be a Saw movie.
It's like a PG Saw movie.
What would a PG Saw movie be called? Dull Knife?
Fingernail file.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, now we're officially going because we had to stop at a birthday party.
It's my niece's 6th birthday party. I wasn't going to miss that.
Well, we didn't miss it. We freaked out everybody because everybody thinks we're idiots.
Yep.
But we're
Why
doing
would you
it.
do that?
Why not?
That sounds fun. Adventure.
Where we going?
We're going.
We are going. I don't know how well it's gonna go, but we're going.
It's going to be great.
And this is 5 minutes down the road. That's all. That's all we've gone. 5 minutes so far.
It's really not 5 minutes. It's like 20 minutes, but whatever.
Actually, it was like 20 seconds, basically.
This thing is not holding.
I know it's not holding it. Well, we're just gonna have fun from here on out.
Bye.
We're having technical difficulties, but we're gonna make it.
It's because your phone is
feet in an hour, and
In 1 day and 9 hours.
1 day and 9 hours, not
Turn left onto Creekside Drive.
not an hour and 9. No, it's 1 day, 9 hours will be. Where are we going?
Santa Monica, California.
Okay.
To the Santa Monica Pier.
From
Take the next
Macon,
left
Georgia.
onto Creekside Drive.
Which is basically the middle of Georgia, which is all the way on the Atlantic Ocean side. So,
We're only 2 hours away from the Atlantic Ocean,
yeah.
which we've been to numerous times.
Yeah, so we said we had to beat all of
I didn't say all of them.
them.
One day, maybe.
Yeah, we'll visit the Indian
Except
Ocean.
I don't want to go to the Antarctic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean. That just doesn't sound fun.
Is it the Arctic Ocean or the
It's
Antarctic
the
Ocean?
Arctic Ocean and the Antarctic continent. They're opposites, I think. I don't remember. I haven't had geography in like 20 years.
She's the smart one in the race. Well, we just entered Alabama. Yep, we hit Alabama.
And the skies are blue.
Yep. And so far,
Leonard Skinner did not love us.
okay, yeah, we sure did. And we are driving. Doing good. I guess good time. I don't know. Well, we're still excited. About got in a wreck. Atlanta traffic, crazy. People just come over. They don't look first. They just come
It's
over.
still in here.
Oh, we got a hornet in here somewhere.
No. It's a baby dragonfly. It's not a hornet. Or a murder hornet. It's a baby dragonfly.
Oh, here, film the baby dragonfly. That's here.
Oh, I pushed a button.
Well, did it stop and beep?
I don't think so.
Well, then,
Woohoo! It's flying again. I don't know where it went that time.
yeah, we have a
I
baby
hear it
dragonfly in here. Apparently. That's the excitement so far. No idea what this car is. Been counting Mustangs, and so far we're at 33. It's an old Chevrolet.
Wait, was it right?
Not a Chevelle, but it's a Bel Air. No. Yeah, it's an old Bel Air.
Oh my god. That looks beautiful.
Yep.
There's a gold grill and everything. 1957 on the license plate on the front.
Well, we're entering Tennessee. Well, we're in Tennessee. Where's the sign?
We already passed it.
We already passed the sign.
We passed the sign before the GPS announced that we were in Tennessee.
Well,
But we won't be here long. We're going to cross the bridge in Memphis over into Little Rock and we'll be in Arkansas.
we've traveled 7 hours. According to, I almost said Garmin.
Google.
No, her name's Margaret.
We're going to name her Margaret. Can we call her Maggie?
No, Maggie's too nice. Her name's Margaret. But she's crazy.
You're offending anybody who watches your channel named Margaret right now.
Well, she reminds me of one of the elderly ladies who reminded you over and over again about the same thing. I do that too.
You do that too.
But this is in a female voice, so I'm going with Margaret. Oh well.
You can name her something like Timothea.
What kind of nonsense is... What?
I don't know. I don't know the feminine version of Timothy.
Nobody does. There is no. Tim is just awesome.
So if you had twins, or a girl and a boy, and you named one Tim, what would you name the other one?
Tamaya. I mean, just like that. It's a whole lot better than what you said. Timothea. What the? Tamaya. Perfect.
I feel attacked right now.
I don't know why you feel attacked. We're just sitting here driving. changed to the normal person. They were terrible.
They were different. They weren't bad, they were different. Because the fathead dough is stupid. Shut up, Tim.
We're in Arkansas, putting gas in, and there's these little bugs everywhere. They're just everywhere. Don't let them get in the car.